Good afternoon, drivers. This is Barry with Christenson Transportation, and this is another edition of the Trucker's Toolbox, where we talk about maintenance items and upkeep on the truck. Today's topic is very important. Many of you have experienced what I'm about to talk about. We've spent a lot of money on these trucks. For our safety features, we've added disc brakes all the way around the truck to improve our stopping distance and supposedly increase longevity of the brake system. However, that takes a little work on your side. We're driving in all types of environments, all types of weather, heat, cool, and what that does is develops moisture in the systems, in the air systems. You've got water fuel separators to get water out of that. You've got pull lines on your air tanks to get the air out of the moisture out of the air tank system. That goes to everything. It goes to your brakes. It goes to all your hoses throughout the system, and it gets contaminated, and it can rust up everything and ruin everything. What I've got here is a prime example. This is an air dryer cartridge, and I'll show it to you. I'm not sure if you can see it, but that's an original cartridge, and it's absolutely caked, rusted over, contaminated, all kinds of grit. This is probably one of the big factors that we've discovered with these very expensive disc brake systems. Those contaminants get in the brake caliper. It pushes out with maximum force. It gets that grit, that air, that rust, moisture in there, and it doesn't retract fully, so it's rubbing on there. And the next thing you know, they are locked in position. You're going down the road, and it just wears the brake system out until there's nothing left, and it ruins the caliper, ruins the rotor. Sometimes there's not even pads left in there. It's all preventable. This is a once-a-year switch that takes about an hour, 30 minutes to an hour to change this cartridge out. It saves thousands of dollars, saves a lot of downtime on the side of the road. Big headache is avoidable. So do some due diligence on your pre-trips. When you're downtime, drain your water fuel separator, pull your air tank lines, drain that out, and once a year change that filter in that air dryer, and you'll have a much better day. So again, thanks for watching the Trucker's Toolbox, and hope you take these facts and these little tricks and use them to save yourself a lot of time and money and heartache. So for Christenson Transportation, thanks a lot.